Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Good Sunday afternoon. This blog is for yo-boi-dot1. He's trying to brag that he got me to misfire. Yo, asshole. I misfired because I was in the middle of rating you. How does it feel, though, when I'm not rating you? All you can do to me is misfire. That's all you can do is misfire. You got more health than me. You got more stats than me. But your game still fucking sucks. How does it feel? Told you you're my new misfiring little bitch. So brag that you got me to misfire while I was raiding you, punk. And wait till tomorrow. Watch my stats go right past your little dumb ass.